Right, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can find Discord servers. So, let's just get straight into this dead, boring, dry video of a video. But yeah, let's get into it.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
So, obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to create your person, your account. So you just want to throw in anything.
2 seconds later.
Alright, yeah, so you boys can enter anything you like. You know, you can throw in Big Boss Booty and what you obviously do it properly. This is just to show you how you can do it. So yeah, once you've made your account, it will take you into the ting. Here we are, welcome to Discord, ladies and gentlemen, we're here. Alright, so obviously you'll have feck all to do. You'll literally just have this. And you'll have this thing called here, called create your own server, but obviously, creating your own server, you'll have no one in it. So this is why you have to find friends.
I want to die. 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 I want to.
And there's two, maybe three main ways I've got for you. You can do this. You guys can simply, you can just go to the little description bit, then go down to Linktree, and then if you go on the Linktree, you'll find my Discord server, and you can just hang out there. There'll also be another link, and I'll show you. I quickly get it up. Right, so the server you guys you want to put in is you want to put this code in. You want to put SGYAEM. Then once you click that, it should take you to this wonderful server that me and my mate own. You can see, look, that's me. Oh my god, the Nilo bombs, really, very cool. But yeah, it'll take you here, and in this server, it's basically like an advertising server. So you guys can come here, you can look on. So say you want to find a community server, there'll be some community servers here you guys can find. And yeah, that's basically the premise of this server. Now, obviously, you've got other servers. You can join my personal server, which is the link in the description again and again. And yeah, this is a good way to find servers. Another way you all can find servers, which is a little bit better, I think, than this. You can get exactly what you want. You can just go to your web browser. Oh look, some more videos. That's cool. You guys should go watch them. But yeah, you can go here, and you want to just search in Discord. Now Discord is a pretty juicy thing, okay, my friends. You just search in, say I want to find a YouTube server. It will come up with all the servers that have YouTube in it, so you guys can find it really easily. There's probably loads. Let's join the NDL. Good old NDL. The official NDL server. Look at that, now we're in. And yeah, you can just join any community you want, pretty much. There's loads on there. You can probably, mine's on somewhere on there, but there's so many servers you guys can find. Anything, you will probably find it on there. That's pretty much how you can all find Discord servers. So if you did find this useful, you know, comment, like, subscribe, and check out my other content, because if you're here before we reach 1,000 subs, you're part of the gang, officially. So yeah, let's get it. Hopefully you all enjoyed this, and yeah, hopefully you stick around. In a bit, boys.